Hello, this is Dr. Oz. In this video, I would like to show you how to use bubble chart in Excel. So I would like to create a bubble chart for these countries. You can see number of billionaires per 10 million residents, per capita income, and number of billionaires for a given country. So first thing first, what I would like to do is highlight my data starting from B2 and all the way down to D7. And then insert chart, and then you will see here bubble chart. I would like to use 3D chart, although in general I'm against 3D charts. I don't think this 3D chart for bubble charts creates a misperception. So I click on this. Let's add some data labels, axis titles, and my y-axis here is per capita income. And my x-axis is number of billionaires per number of billionaires per 10 million residents. Okay, I would like to change a few things in this chart. Let me zoom in. One thing I would like to do is change the design. So let's take a look at different design. This doesn't look too bad. This, I don't really like it because there is no contrast on the numbers in the background. This design is okay. I think I kind of like this one. Don't like it at all. So much is going on. This looks pretty beautiful to me as well. So I would just stick to style number 7 because it looks pretty nice to me. And what I'm gonna do is to improve the data ink ratio, I will get rid of these grid lines, delete, and I will get rid of the horizontal grid lines as well, press delete. And I would like to give a chart title. This is number of billionaires is given here in this problem by the size of those bubbles. Okay, so another thing I would like to do is change the color of these bubbles. So I click on them and you can play with different color scales here. In general, I like to use, this is a personal thing, I like this color right here, the dark red color. Okay, so this is good, but I still need to make some adjustment. First of all, I don't want to have negative starting points for my axes. So what I'm gonna do is click on this, you double click, and once you double click, you should have this format axis. And I would like to start my data axis from 0. Click somewhere here, and that solved that problem. That's the same thing for the y-axis. Double click, and then let's have the minimum value set to 0 and click somewhere else. All right. Another thing I would like to do is put the labels on these numbers because it's hard. I don't know which one is which country. So click one of those bubbles and right click. And then here you will see add data labels. Okay, so I got the data labels. However, I don't want to have the per capita income. I want to have countries. Okay, so to do that, I will right click again and I will click format data series. And when you click on these options right here, looks like I cannot find it yet, but maybe what I can do is, all right, so if I click on this, okay, perfect. Now I can click on the values from cells. I want to choose those cells. So what I want to do is check this and then highlight my data labels and then click OK. And that solved my problem. However, I don't want to, if you don't want to see the GDP per capita, you can eliminate it by unchecking this Y value. So as you see here, I can see on my x-axis number of billionaires per 10 million residents. On my y-axis, I can see per capita income. And with the size of the bubble, you can see number of billionaires. And it's obvious that the United States has the most number of billionaires. And in this data set, the highest per capita income, as well as the highest number of billionaires per 10 million residents. That's it for this video. Until next video, enjoy business analytics.